When I was wee. Funny things I remember when I was a wee boy, getting sacks of claes and buckets of my cousin's old toys. And when walking down the street, it'd sometimes catch your eye, a wee guy walking funny, 'cause one shoe was awfy high. White dog shites in the street, a thing you don't see noo. I never thought it possible you could get an extinct poo. Playing fitba in a stretch of grass and the ball would end up in the hedges. You'd find an old soaked skud book and somebody'd have to keep the edgy. 'Cause if a stranger shouted in, then we were just looking for our ball. You didn't want to get caught, or a cunt would tell your ma. And then you'd hear a bugle blaring down the street. All your gear that didn't fit you, swapped for what you thought was a treat. The rag and bone man's coming. He was a con and a shyster, but he played that battered old bugle like he was a fucking Pied Piper. And these hings are just new a blast for the past, and hings we just don't miss, like your auntie wiping your face with her slebbers, or your granny's nae teeth kiss. When I was wee.